Good morning to everyone. Welcome to maths class. See you students, today we'll discuss about that is a new chapter, that is division. Okay. So already you learnt addition, you learnt numbers, already you learnt addition, you learnt subtraction, you learnt, yes, even multiplication also you learnt. So today we'll start a lesson, that is division. Okay. So in this division, so what is mean by division? So first we will be understanding the definition of the lesson. Yes. So division means we can call the process of dividing one number by another. One number by another. Yes, this is we can call as division. Division means what? The process of dividing one number by another. This is we can call as a division. So R as we can be called as dividing things in equal. Dividing things in equal. So in equal groups. So whatever you can be take, any things you can be take. So those things we will be equally, we will be distribute. Equally we will be make a group. That also we can be called as a division. Yes. So you understood the meaning of division. Yes. Okay. So what is the symbol of division? What is the symbol of division? Yes. So already you learn, see here, the addition symbol is plus, subtraction symbol is minus, multiplication symbol is into. Next we are going to the division symbol is this. Yes. So divides. Okay. So here the first example we will study now. Okay. The first example is there are 12 leaves into 3 groups. Into groups 3. Yes. So they can given here 12 leaves. Okay. So see here. So I'll draw a 12 leaves. 1. Yes. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, there are 12 leaves we take. Okay. So what we will do? We'll do how many groups? 3. It means 3 leaves in one group. Okay. So here see, I'll do 3 leaves in one group. Yes, this is one group. Second 3 leaves we can take another group. Okay. And next again we will take 3 leaves in one group, and last one 3 leaves in another group. Yes, tell me students, totally how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. How many groups are there? There are 4 groups. Okay. So we'll write here, there are 4 groups of 3. Okay, it means in each group how many leaves are there? In each group there are 3 leaves are there. Okay. So here the number of groups are 4. Okay. So we can understanding the 12 leaves. Yes, 12 leaves. So we divided. Divided means we can did a groups. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups we did. We can get answer is what? So we can get answer is in each group 1, 2, 3. We can get answer is 3. Yes. Yes, so we can understanding here. So in the division method, so in the multiplication method, how you learned multiplicand, multiplier and product. Like in the division method, so 12, this 12 we can call as dividend. Yes, and this 4 we can call as a divisor. Okay, and this 3 answer we can get as, it means we can call as quotient. Okay, so 12 we can call as a dividend and dividend. So this is, okay, dividend we can call this one 12 and 4 we can call as a divisor and 3 we can call as a quotient. Understood? So there are totally 12 leaves are there. So how many groups we did? We did 4 groups. In each group how many leaves are there? So totally in each group there are 3 leaves. Yes, understood about this one? First one. So dividend, divisor and a quotient. Okay. So second one example we'll see now. Okay. See the second one. Second one example, what they can given here, that is there are given a balls. So how many balls there are given means here? So they given totally 8 balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, totally how many balls they can given? Totally they can given 8 balls. So in 8 balls they can given here, it means we will make 2 groups. Yes. So in 8 balls how we will be make equally, groups are equally we will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means, so we'll do 2 groups. This is one group and this is another group. Okay. So 2 groups of 8 balls. Okay. So number of groups are, how many groups we did? Number of groups equal to 2. So totally 2 groups we did. Okay. So totally how many balls are there? 8 balls. Yes, 8 balls. In each they can given here. So how many groups we did? We did 2 groups. So see once again, totally 8 balls they can given here. So equally how many groups we did? So 2 groups we make. Okay. So equally, it means in one group how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we can get answer is 4. Yes, understood this one? Okay. So next one we are going as that is third one. They can given here 6 mangoes. 6 mangoes into 3 groups. How many groups? Into 3 groups. Yes, we'll start now. 6 mangoes. 1 mango. So this is second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. There are totally 6 mangoes are there. So what we will do? So we'll do in 3 groups. Okay. So 1. Yes. Second one. And third one. It means each group how many mangoes are there? In each group there are 2 mangoes. Yes, in one group 2 mangoes, one group 2 mangoes and another group also 2 mangoes. So we'll write here how many groups are there? The number of groups are there are 3. Yes, number of groups are 3. So totally how many mangoes are there here? So totally 6 mangoes we grouped, we divided equally 3. Okay. So we can get answer is, what we can get answer? It means we can get answer in each group how many mangoes are there? 1, 2. 2 mangoes are there. So answer is 2. Understood this one? Okay. So next one. So they can given here another one example. That is, so that question they can be given here. So how we will be make? Okay. Another one example will take here. See, that is flowers they can be given here. There are 8 flowers. How many flowers they can be given here? 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, there are totally 8 flowers. Yes, so in 8 flowers they can be tell as, so equally you can be dividing. How many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups. The number of groups, it means in the, they can given here totally 4 groups will do. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 8 flowers we did 4 groups. It means I'll write here number of groups are equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are number of groups are 4. So I'll write here totally how many flowers we'll take here? Totally 8 flowers we take. How many groups we did? We did 4 groups. Yes. What is the answer now? Tell me, students. So what answer is, in each group how many flowers are there? No, that we can be tell as answers. 1, 2. It means in one group 2 flowers. Answer is 2. Okay, understood this one? Yes. So next question we will go as, that is, yes, that is count the things in pictures and distribute equally in the trays. Okay, they can given here trays. What we will do? So in first one they can given, yes, apples they can be given here. How many apples are there? Totally 6 apples are there. Okay, so we'll write apples. This is one apple. Okay, so another one apple. Okay, third one apple. Okay, fourth one apple. Okay, fifth one. Sixth one. Okay, totally 6 apples they can given here. So we did equally. What they can given here? Count the things in the pictures and distribute equally. We will be distribute. How many we will be make a group here? So we make 2 groups. In one group how many are there? 3 apples. Yes. So I'll draw 3 apples in one group. So 3 apples in one group and here also 3 apples in another group. Okay. So we did equally, we distribute the apples. Okay. So here see totally they can given here 6 apples. Equally we distribute in 2 parts. Yes, 1 in 3, 1 in 3. So 3 equally we will be distribute. Second one they can given here, that is second one they can given totally 8 candles they can be given here. How many candles they can given here? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so totally 8 candles they can be given here. So we make how many groups now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Totally we do 4 groups. Okay, in each group how many we will be distribute? 2, 2 and 2 candles in one group. One candle, another one candle, here also 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It means totally we distribute 8 candles in 4 groups. Understood? Equally we will be distributed. Okay. Next one. Next one they can be given here pencils. Okay, so how many pencils they can given here means here they can given here 4 pencils. Okay, so in 4 pencils, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 pencils we make 2 groups. It means 2 groups we will be 2. So how many we will be distributed in each group? In each group will distribute 2 pencils. Yes, in one group 2 pencils. Okay, so in another group 2 pencils, 1 and 2 pencils. Yes, so 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Yes, so 4 pencils we distribute in 2 equally. In one group 2 pencils. Okay, so next main they can given here, that is draw the line and divide them in 2 equal shares. 2 equal shares. Okay, so first one they can given here. So the symbol of plus they can given here. In one group there are 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 8 symbol of addition, that is plus they can be given here. So here see, so how many groups they did here? 3 groups. Yes, so in 3 groups we distribute in 4 signs. Okay, so in first group 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means in first group 4, second group 4 and third group also 4. Yes, see. So there are totally how many plus are there? Totally 12 plus are there. So in 12 plus divided equally in 3 parts. Okay, in each part how many are there? 4 plus are there. Okay, second one they can be given here. they can given here balls. Totally 10 balls they can be given. So in 10 balls equally distributed in 2 parts. Okay, so that is second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally they can be given here 10 balls. 10 balls equally distributed in 2 groups. In each group, so we'll distribute 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first group. So here I'll write second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In second group, so we distributed 5. It means equally we distributed 2 groups. Okay. So third one, next one, they can given here totally 12 flowers they can be given here. How many flowers? 12 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally how many are there flowers? Totally 12 flowers are there. So we'll distribute 2 parts. Yes, in each part how many flowers will distribute now? In each part will distribute 6 flowers. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one group. Yes, another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is second one group. Yes, so there are totally 12 flowers they can given here. So we distributed 2 groups. Okay, so equally we will be distribute 2 groups. That is, in one group 6 flowers and another one group 6 flowers. Okay, so next one example. Okay, see the next one example. They can given here swastik. 1, 2, totally 6 they can be given here. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we make 2 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means in each group we divide 3. Okay, so totally how many are there? Totally 6. So 6 are there. So in each group they can be divided equally 3. Yes. So understood this one? Yes. So students, I hope you understood this one. The rest of this lesson will continue in the next session. Okay. Thank you for watching.